so much for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm Allison Rodriguez. Expect some cooler highs today, but we are going to see a big warm up coming up down the road, and then we're tracking another disturbance as well in your 7-day. Here's a look at Futurecast. As I go ahead and press play on this one, you'll start to see the clouds really thicken up right around 5, 6 o'clock tonight, but then things are going to slowly start to clear out as that system continues moving on east, and then by tomorrow morning, I think your morning commute is going to be pretty clear, and on the way back home, also expecting clear conditions for us then even through Tuesday. We're going to track that other disturbance a little bit later on in the week. However, look at this temperature trend here. So we're dropping a slightly below average for today. We climb back up above average, and then we're expecting to hit those 90s as we get into the middle portion of this work week. For today, a little bit cooler, like we mentioned, 81 degrees. Those winds are going to be lighter as well, so we'll enjoy that, huh? Hey, your UV index also staying at a very high category, air quality moderate, no longer because of dust and ozone, just ozone for today. Your hourly planner going to stay cool this morning, then mild conditions as we get into the late morning. Great in the afternoon, temperature wise, warm and nice and dry. Those calm winds, we'll take it. 83 degrees is the average for this time of year. We're going to fall slightly below that today across the valley. We're talking highs in the upper 70s, low 80s under mostly clear to clear skies again until we start to see those clouds thicken up in the evening, early evening there. Expecting highs in the upper 70s, low 80s out to the west of us. Bullhead City, Lake Havasu, and Quartzsite. 81 in Gila Bend, 82 today in Yuma. Looking ahead at the next 7 days. Tomorrow we get back above average like we talked about. Then we hit the 90s Tuesday through Thursday. Then this is when we're going to start to track that second disturbance over here, bringing us breezy conditions, but also dropping those temps just a little bit. We're down to 88 degrees by the time we get to next weekend.